Restore youth to tired joints with a single drink. Most people consider knee pain a synonym for weakness and age, so they rarely complain about this condition. Most people don't know that knee pains are common and they can happen to any person of any age and sex. If the pain is not corrected in time, it can cause damage and affect the knee change. You can easily treat pain in the knee and joints naturally using a great remedy. Before going forward, I request you to kindly subscribe our channel, Natural Health Plus, and press the bell icon that will notify you for our latest videos. Day by day, our knees are under tremendous strain. It is natural that with age, the tendons and ligaments of the knee joint become less flexible and less mobile. Discomfort and pain appear when walking. Due to various negative factors, especially unhealthy eating, the production and viscosity of synovial fluid, lubricant in joints, decreases. The cartilage suffers, and this is already a direct way to arthrosis. So how is it possible to restore youth to tired joints? Try this oatmeal drink, which is useful to everyone who suffers from knee problems. It enhances the production of lubricant in the knees, increases its number, improves the elasticity of the ligaments in the joint, which significantly affect mobility and activity. In addition, this cocktail is extremely nutritious and has an excellent taste, so it is great as a full breakfast or dinner. It is very simple in preparation and you will easily do it from the ingredients which you for sure have at home. You need 250 milliliters of water, 50 grams of oatmeal, 100 milliliters of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of crushed nuts, 1 tablespoon of honey and cinnamon. Preparation. Point number 1. Prepare oatmeal from water and oat flakes. While it is cooling, mix orange juice with cinnamon, honey and nuts. Point number 2. Add the fragrant mixture to the oatmeal. Blend everything. This drink is rich in substances that contribute to the normalization processes in the body and is responsible for the production of synovial fluid. After 2 weeks, you will notice positive changes. The movement will become much easier and suturing will positively affect your body. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please share this with your friends and family and let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.